The Good Friday earthquake occurred on March 27, 1964 in Alaska. Registering a 9.2 magnitude, it remains the most powerful earthquake ever recorded in North America and the second most powerful earthquake ever recorded in the world.
Alaska sits on the boundary between two massive tectonic plates, the Pacific Plate and the North American Plate. These plates are constantly shifting, but usually these movements are small and unnoticeable. However, on that Good Friday, something catastrophic happened. The Pacific Plate, this plate, is slowly being forced beneath the North American Plate in a process called subduction. And this oceanic plate is more dense than the continental plate, so it's being pushed down into the asthenosphere. And over centuries, stress built up in this boundary, and as the Pacific Plate was being pushed under, and then all at once the stress was released in a violent rupture, causing a massive earthquake and also causing a tsunami to go across the Pacific Ocean.
Alright, so this diagram illustrates one example of how the land deformed during the 1964 Good Friday earthquake in the area near Bootlegger Cove. When the earthquake struck, the energy release caused a large section of land to slide along this weak zone. The entire block of land shifted towards the sea, a process known as block sliding. As the surface material moved, the land mass dropped suddenly, creating a tension crack as it failed to hold together, as you can see in the second image. The surface developed pressure ridges and irregular cracks as the underlying layers shifted and spread under the immense force. Here you can see the ridges and irregular cracks that were formed that are flipping up and kind of going over each other. This sequence of events shows how catastrophic movements can reshape the landscape in the blink of an eye when a large earthquake occurs.
The 1964 Alaska earthquake, also known as the Good Friday earthquake, resulted in 131 deaths. 9 people died directly from the earthquake. 122 people died from tsunamis caused by the earthquake, including 5 in Oregon and 12 in California. Despite this being the largest earthquake in U.S. history and the second largest ever recorded in the world, the earthquake's low death toll was due to the Alaska's low population density. The earthquake also caused thousands of aftershocks and landslides. It caused massive property damage, including the destruction of the town Valdez in Alaska.
The Good Friday earthquake was a powerful reminder of the immense forces at work beneath the Earth's surfaces. The collision of tectonic plates continue to shape our planet, and while we can't prevent earthquakes, understanding the science behind them help us prepare for the future.
Here are the references for the photos that we used during the creation of our video.